My name is Nathan Giffen, and I'm a teacher of vertical decorative concrete. I have a site that's Vertical Artisans that illustrates the methods, styles, and techniques of hand-carved vertical decorative concrete. I did a project a while back that incorporated a Celtic weave, and it was just stunning, the response of that type of detail in a vertical application of concrete. So I hired an artist out of Brazil who was an expert in tribal tattooing, of all things. We put together a plan that incorporated a very 14th century Viking weave. The stone facing is pretty much what I teach, just heavy relief, free carve, no stamps, using the tools. That's pretty much what you got today. Stenciling is very difficult, especially with vertical, because it's hard to keep everything there. So the method that I used with this was projection. And even though the sun is blazing, there's not a cloud in the sky, we pulled tie wire back off of a pedestal, and then we put my computer and my projector inside of that. So it was very dark in here. We projected the image on the wall, onto the scratch coat, the existing substrate. We applied material only where we really needed it. So instead of starting with a whole canvas of material, we basically threw it exactly where we needed it. And then that saved material, and it gave us a precise area to work on. Developing different types of stones, is it going to be a sandstone, or is it going to be a basalt or a granite? All of these different types of geological elements have different textures. We try to emulate those textures. That's what people like. It's real. Casting something in a mold, after a while, the detail, you lose it, and it's repetitious. So in 15 years of sculpting, I've never sculpted the same rock twice. And what's really interesting about hand-carved decorative concrete is you don't lose the audience. Because everything is different, because every stone is completely unique, when your mind is looking at it, you're constantly absorbing new information and new data, and that holds you. All the artists here, we're not in competition against each other, we're in competition against the traditional methods of doing things. And that's where concrete comes in. Because everybody loves decorative concrete, they just don't know it yet.